Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a bunch of random chores. So I have a ton of cleaning rags that I want to get clean. I always use some sanitizer in there and I'll pop it up on the screen. It's what I keep in this jar right here. It is the best. So if you're looking for a good laundry sanitizer, definitely check it out. Now, while I move on to cleaning upstairs and some other chores, I'm going to run the robotic vacuum. It just saves me a ton of time so that this way later on when I want to mop the hardwood, it's all clean and it's ready to go. This one works pretty good. I did get it on sale a while ago. It was pricey, but I got it for a really good deal. If they still have it, I will link it down below in the description if you're looking for one. It is tough because sometimes if you don't map it out, it can get stuck under things, which can be really annoying if you're upstairs thinking the thing is running and you come down and it's been stuck. So today I'm going to be using the OxiClean Extra Strength. This is the carpet odor eliminator and dirt fighters. I love this stuff. I use it probably every few weeks to freshen up the carpets. It's also going to make your carpets appear much brighter. It's going to neutralize any odors and it's going to help lift the dirt out of your carpet. I totally recommend this stuff. They have one that's specific for pets too, and they have a couple different scents. I like to let this hang out on the carpet for a good 10 minutes, so I'll move on to treating other carpets, and then once I'm all done, I'll go back and I'll start the vacuuming. Make sure you do a really good job of vacuuming this powder up because the particles that are in the OxiClean powder can damage fibers in your carpet over time. So it's important to remove all the powder if you can. And I know a lot of people are not fans of carpet powder because of this reason, but I say if you have pets, like I have pets, they're going to damage the carpet anyway. So I'd rather it smell good than just smell gross because you're going to have to replace the carpet anyway, especially with kids and pets and the damage that comes. So the carpets are done downstairs. Now moving up to my shower. So I'm using the Lysol mold and mildew remover for my shower pan and most of my shower. Quick note, I would not advise using this on a regular if you have natural stone in your shower. This shower pan is marble, and I am aware that I am using a product that is not great for it. However, I typically use Stone Hard, or is it Marblelife cleaner? I'll pop it up on top. Sometimes it is necessary to get in there with the big guns, and the Lysol bleach works a lot better. Another important thing to note is that Marblelife that I spoke about does also have sodium hypochlorite as an ingredient in it, which is bleach. That being said, I believe that that formula has some type of a corrosion inhibitor in it, which makes it safe for natural stone. I'm not really sure the science behind it, but on the label it definitely does say that it is intended for marble and natural stone. So to clean my shower today, I'm using the Lysol like I mentioned, and then I'm also using the scrubbing bubbles, which I love. I'll be using it here in a minute. And I'm using that on my tile. I also really like to use the Tilex. I believe that works really good as well. But I'll show you a close-up in a second here. My shower is gross. Like you can see all of that buildup. Typically, I clean my shower when I'm in the shower, but I wanted to do it for a video. So I saved all the filth just so I could show you guys. And I'm also using my electric scrub brush for most of the video, which I love. I will link to it down below. I got it off Amazon. And I'm just giving you a close-up here, and you can see the status of my shower. I also need to have all of this recaulked. So I'm going to be doing that soon, but you can't like shower for a few days because you want to make sure there's no moisture, but we do really need to have that done. I also spray a little bit of the scrubbing bubbles on the shower head, and it works really good to remove any of the gunk and the buildup. And then I just use a scrubbing brush, and then once I turn the hot water on, it cleans all of that off. All right, so I'm gonna do a really thorough rinse down with hot water to rinse all of the chemical away, because I'm going to be going back in here with a little bit of that Lysol spray, because sometimes the scrubbing bubbles doesn't do what I need it to do, especially in the grout. I like it to be nice and bright and white and to kill all of that mold and mildew. And I want to get it nice and clean here because, like I mentioned before, I'm going to be recaulking. Rinsing all that away now because we're going to move on to cleaning the shower glass. I always like to mix up what I use when cleaning the shower glass. Today we're going to be using the steel wool. I'll link the exact one I use down below. I've done a video on this, and we're going to be using Barkeeper's Friend, the soft cleanser this time. It has oxalic acid in it. It is great for cleaning the shower glass and getting rid of any stubborn calcium and hard water stains. You will love it, and look what just happened there. You know when you dump the ketchup and you don't shake it? That's what we just experienced. That was really gross. So moving on, using the steel wool here. It is the finest. It is the 0000, and I just scrub it in. That's all I do. It's really safe to use on glass. It's not going to etch the glass. Let it sink in. I let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how bad it is, and then I'll move on to do something else. Like I'm cleaning the guards for the shower, getting all the mildew and yucky stuff out. And then once that's done, I go in and I rinse down the glass, and I'm giving it a little bit of a scrub because sometimes the Barkeeper's Friend gets a little sticky on the glass, and you got to really give it a good scrub and rinse down. So I'm testing out this mold gel today. This is like a new little gimmicky thing. Supposed to get in there and like kill all the mold in hard to reach places. So I'll have to update you and let you know if that even worked or not. All right, once I finish squeegeeing and the glass is nice and clean, I like to clean the other side of the glass. I feel like that's always neglected. So I'm just using glass cleaner today. Which one am I using? The Method glass cleaner. I'll link it down below. Or maybe it's a multi-surface cleaner. Anyway, I'll link it down below. And a microfiber cleaning cloth. Works great at cleaning the glass. This is always a step that I forget to do, and it's a little bit tricky because I'm having to like straddle the tub. So the last thing I'm doing is quickly folding all of my cleaning rags so that they are ready to go for the next time I clean. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.